I've seen enough things to lose hope. And here I am still going. I am even stronger now. He's always looking around you. And maybe I'm mistaken. You know I'm feeling right. Like something on my face, something in my veins. Still hurts. And I don't know what it takes, don't know what it takes to move on. The more that I've done, the less I've become. I just live forever within our souls. Some don't even know, and now I forgot. And they will become just nothing at all. Just nothing, just nothing, just nothing, just nothing at all. Nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. And they will become just nothing at all. You've seen all the way to also just to know what it meant, so you took it away. Don't try to connect it, I'm gonna forget it, you know it is done. There's something on my face, something in my veins, still hurts. And I don't know what it takes, don't know what it takes to move on. The more that I've done, the less I become. I just live forever within our souls. Some don't even know, and life go on. And they will become just nothing at all. Just nothing, just nothing, just nothing, just nothing at all. Nothing at all. And they will become just nothing at all.
Sometimes you feel weak, feel you care inside wakes you up. The overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it up. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Follow the light if you're not sure. Listen to your gut. Come when the time is right. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it up. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want.